Hello everyone, today we are going to fix Signal RGB when it is not working correctly. First, make sure Signal RGB is fully up to date. Close the program and download the latest version from the official Signal RGB website. Install the update and restart your computer. Next, check for other RGB software installed on your system. Programs like ICUE, Armory Crate, Mystic Light, or RGB Fusion can conflict with Signal RGB. To fix this, open Signal RGB first. Then go to Settings and open the Conflict section. Enable the option that says Automatic Close Conflicting Programs. This setting allows Signal RGB to automatically close any RGB software that may interfere with it. Next, close Signal RGB completely. Make sure it is not running in the background or in the system tray. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type App Data and press Enter. When the App Data folder opens, go into the Roaming folder. Inside Roaming, find and open the Whirlwind FX folder. In that folder, locate the Signal RGB folder and delete it. This will reset all Signal RGB settings and fix corrupted files. After deleting the folder, restart your computer if possible. Then right-click the Signal RGB shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Signal RGB will recreate the files and start fresh, which often fixes most issues. If nothing fixes the issue, uninstall Signal RGB, restart your PC, and reinstall it fresh. If the problem still continues, contact Signal RGB support for help. Thanks for watching.